Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about the tutorial of Scratch. If you already don't have Scratch on your laptop or computer, you can download it from scratch.com, something like that. It's very easy to download, but if you are hard time, I will make a tutorial how to even download it. So let's get into the tutorial first. So you have these type of blocks. Ignore the background sounds. My parents are not arguing. They are talking about something or something like that. But who cares about background sound? So we have motion. Look. So these, when you click these categories, this like for example, I want to click control. I want to go to control. So you have to click to the control button. Click it. It will send you to control, to the control category. Control, you have wait 1 second, repeat all of those stuff. And when you click motion, it will send you to motion. So it is mostly a fast access instead of just like how to say turning the wheel on your mouse, something like that. Yeah, you guys know the thing, all right? You guys know the thing. You guys know what I'm using. So we have code. I won't explain about this. We will explain in another video. In today's video, we will have like a normal basic tutorial. So you have the code section, you have all the blocks, you have all the code, and you can also say blocks, and you have all of these categories, and this is where all of the categories are, and this is where all the codes and blocks are. So. And this is where you write a code. So if I want to make, like for example, when always starting like Scratch animation game or something like that, remember to grab this green flag click. One green flag click. So you may sound weird, but if you click this, it will do something. But I didn't wrote any codes. I didn't write any code for this, so I'm going to do something. I'm going to say hello for 2 seconds. And when you click the green flag, hello, the cat said hello and it stopped. You can stop it right here, like that. So it is very useful, and you can also use anything from the event, such as one space, and also up arrow, down arrow, A, B, C. You can customize it. When loudness, blah blah blah, all those stuff. But you can also customize where you want it. So if you want it to be, if you want this screen to be a little bit smaller, something like that, you may use this. And this is where you can have most of the most of the space. If you want more space to write codes, like put together the blocks, all the stuff, I mostly recommend this, but it's very not cool. It's not my style, but I mostly like it with a big screen and normal things. So when you click this, you will have a full screen, and when you click this, it will do the things that you recommended this guy. Instead of saying guy, it is called sprite. So we have a different type of sprite. You can choose sprite from each category, not each category. If you click this, you have all animal auto stuff, and when you click the shirt, it will say choose a sprite, and when you click a paint icon, it will say paint. When you click on the start thingy, it will say surprise, and when you go to the upload thingy, it will say upload sprite. Same as the backdrop. Backdrop is the background, of course. So you have, instead of just background, you have stage. Instead of just guy, animal, blah blah blah, you have sprite. Naturally, you can also change the name and also the backdrops, I think. You can rename the backdrop, but if you repaint it, you can name it. So you can name your sprite. It is called sprite, by the way, and you click this. You'll see there's 2 cats here. Alright, this is called costume. Costume is like an animation thingy. So like just imagine a subscriber, alright, a subscriber, but when you click the number 2 button, it will change it to gray, from red to gray. This is how costume works. It makes your animation smoother, just normal than just moving around still. So it has motion to make it more alive and appealing at the same time. So we call this costume, and you can also show another costume from here. So we will explain that maybe later, but just you have paint, you click the paint icon. This like a bucket item, you would say fill to fill up the thing, so you can fill this, blah blah blah. You have line, you have square, auto tags, erasers to erase a thing, and this is a pointer so that you can adjust your sprite like that. So change the color right here. You can also change the color. I will make a separate video of this, but I'm going to make it so you also I'm going to make a separate video from it, and today video I'm just going to explain the basic. You have the sounds, you can play it, you can make it faster, slower, louder, softer, reverse, robot, all the stuff. And you can also choose sound or even record or surprise. Surprise is a random sound. If you don't know what surprise is, it's a random sound. And if you click the upload button, it will like go to file, and it will go to the file that you saved. Just imagine, all right? You go to Google and you save a sound that sound like saying I don't know, something a little bit stupid, and you want it to play on here. So you save it to file, and when you go to Scratch, you have to click it on right here, the upload sprite button. If you save it to document, you can go to document, blah blah blah. You guys know. So I'm so sorry to say blah 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 all the time. I'm sorry. So you have this. You can show your Scratch card. You can hide it, of course. This is size. This is where this is the positioning. Go here. Let's go to So yeah, I will explain this one separate video. But yeah, guys, this is how it works, and it's pretty cool. You can move it around. You can move this guy. You can name it. You can, if you click on the modifying glass, you can, like how to say, show you an example. So you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. It's like a modifying glass. So it really makes sense. Equal to be a normal equal, size, all of those that. And when you make a file, if you can also save your file. This is the warning of doing Scratch, alright? Always remember, like you open your new file, you name it like donut or hot dog or something that you want to name your own file of this. So you save it to your computer. The next day you want to make a hot dog animation on that file. You make a hot dog animation, but you accidentally click on this. You did it clear. You think it will be saved. It will be the same thing, but you thought it would be the same thing, but no. Always remember to go to save to your computer and replace that file. The name of the file, you can find it right there. No matter where you save the documents, downloads, all of those stuff. You have backdrops, all of those stuff. So that's the wrap for the video. And you have file, you can save, load, and new, and you can edit, turn on table mode inside. I haven't tested yet, but alright. You can choose your language. You can choose Arabic, Shiner, blah blah blah, all of those stuff, and you have the tutorials. When you click tutorial, you can animate character. You can do all those things, and you have each category. And when you click here, you can choose your own sprite. You can choose your own sprite, animals, people. Each category have its own, and you can also search their name here. And same as the backdrop. So this is it for the tutorial of Scratch, the first tutorial, the beginner guide. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have a great time doing Scratch. So, bye.